What is transhumanism? Is it the same thing as posthumanism? What if I Google cyborg? Let's pause with the isms and start with a different question. Is technology transforming what it means to be human? Are technologies like generative AI and brain-computer interfaces really changing our cognitive abilities? Are these things expanding the horizon of possibility for humanity in ways that maybe we ought to embrace? Should we be embracing these things as inevitable progress, or maybe even as the quintessential expressions of our human nature and agency? The answer depends on what you think it means to be human in the first place. Are we created co-creators? Is human technology as much an expression of our God-given human nature as creative works of art? But what about the costs and the dangers of technologies to ourselves, to non-human animals, to our shared planet? Back to the isms. Spoiler alert, transhumanism and critical posthumanism are not at all the same thing, and as interlocutors, they produce very different theological conversations. This chapter, Transhumanism and Critical Posthumanism, in the Oxford Handbook of Digital Theology, maps out the differences between these two philosophies and maps out the differences in theological conversations that they produce. Along the way, I offer a brief critical appraisal of Christian transhumanism, and I conclude with a sketch of fruitful topics of continued conversation with critical posthumanism, focusing on the multiple ways that technologies can and do affect the material well-being of humans, non-humans, and our shared planet right now in ways both for better and for worse.